1984 Ford F-250, 6.9 liter IDI. Hadn't been fired up in a couple days. It's about 25 degrees outside, so the glow plugs are completely fucked. Pulling the engine out of this thing later this week. This whole truck is screwed right up, but it's got the old 6.9 in it. I don't want to get rid of that, so probably pull that out this week and then just giving this hunk of shit to a buddy of mine. And I can start rebuilding the engine that's in it and looking for a different truck to put it in. So as of right now, we're probably going to need ether, but we're going to try it without. So no smoke. All right. Hard to open with only one hand. Really not supposed to give these a whole lot of ether. Some people just fucking spray it in there like their life depends on it. I should only take a couple shots, but sometimes it requires a little bit more. The couple glow plugs broke off in the head, couple expanded so big they won't come out of the hole. So I don't feel like dicking with that with the engine in the shitbox truck. So I'm going to take the engine out of the shitbox truck, and then, well, then unfortunately I'm going to deal with it. It's going to be a lot of money because I'm hoping to just rebuild the whole thing. Like really rebuild it, put a turbo on it, a little bit bigger cam, better injectors. Thinking I'm gonna go through a R&D IDI. You know, there's a couple different companies out there, but alrighty, well, thanks for watching.